Hi and welcome back to today's morning report. Charts proposals on Thursday the 6th of August with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now, and we have a breakout. Been waiting for many weeks for this breakout, and finally we seem to be getting it. 24.40 was sort of a barrier really. I mean, and then it's on an intraday basis it sort of moved to 24.50 and then slightly higher to 24.60. But now we've seen a closing. We saw a closing breakout on. I talked about this yesterday. Closing breakout on Tuesday, which was the highest since that early June. Those early June moves, and then yesterday we've seen that backed up by an intraday breakout and a closing breakout above the intraday highs as well. So all these highs have been taken out now, and the sort of breakout is, I think, validated by this RSI moving above 60. I've talked about this previously. Every time sort of the resistance started to come into play, the RSI sort of hit 60 and fell away. But this time it's now above 60, and I think if it can hold above 60 again today, I think that's a strong move. You've got the MACD lines still minorly positive, not strongly positive, but minorly. You've got stochastics rising nicely now, and I think that this is a strong move. I see a test of 25.85 now, and what I'd do is I'd be looking to use dips as a chance to buy. You've got this. This is on the hourly chart. Let me just stick in a horizontal line at around about that 124.40 level, which is basically where the resistance was coming in, wasn't it? 124.40. So I see any sort of correction back towards that resistance now as a chance to buy, because that old resistance becomes new support. So you've got a nice band of support, I would say, between that 124.40 to 124.60. And I'd say any sort of dip into this range here is a decent buying opportunity now. Momentum indicators on the hourly chart remain strong, and it's consolidating now, so it is sort of consolidating this move and accepting the new levels. So I like this. I'm liking this breakout on dollar yen. Finally, we seem to be getting a bit getting somewhere with this move that has taken a while to get going above this 24.40 level. So seems to be finally getting a bit of traction to the upside. So it's a strong move, and I like it. So buying dips on dollar yen. Now, in terms of your sort of correction, if you see a move back below 23.50, that is your key level. 23.50 is your key near-term level now, which is that spike low, and then before it went away again to the upside. But 24.40 is a minor support as well from yesterday's spike low. But sorry, 24 figure. Sorry, my fault. 24 figure seems to be a pretty decent level also. So some supports there, but I'd be using corrections as a chance to buy now on dollar yen. Looking good.